Hi traders, Anthony here. This is TRON TRX paired with USDT. I'm just doing this on and shorting this based on this signal here. A breakout, and I'm always looking for the retest back into the mean, and then we take the trade. I'll be looking for a target for 80% partial profits, around about 1 times the ATR. So as soon as we trade down, see the ATR, the average true range we've got down the bottom of the chart here, we've got 53. So if we grab our ruler, and I'm just going to pull it from the bottom of the crosshair, and we'll go 50, there's 5, there's 6. Alright, so I'm going to be looking to take profit when we get a spike down. I could set an alarm here so I come back into it and close it. Okay, alarm clock create. If we go back in time and look at each one of these, we want to get a bit of an idea of how successful they are. Generally what we're looking for is the signal giving us a breakout, but it's not just any breakout. This is, you notice breakout here, but the signal actually fired up here. It was a breakout of this level here. Whenever we're breaking out of a range, I like to go for the second level breakout, if that makes any sense. Alright, see how we're moving down now to our level. Okay, so I'm going to close now, partial close. I'll go 80 here, 80% off the table. We are good to go. So what I'll do is I'll explain how the rest of this works. Okay, close 80%. I just had to send that to my Telegram. So what we do is we have a look at the dollar value. So if we go into the account history here, 56 in dollar value, and so we pull our stop loss down to meet that. See how I've got a loss of $38 here. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to trail this $40. Okay, so we're $56 ahead, $40 loss. If that gets taken out, you know, it's a winning trade overall. See, this is a daily level down here. We've got this set up on the chart. The other thing that we're doing here is we're trading through this gap. You can see these lighter colored shaded zones. This level is a resistance level, and you can see how it actually goes back and it picks it up historically. This is my version of a volume profile, but I prefer this because it actually goes back further than the visible range on the chart. I hope that makes sense. So we get historical data pulled across, and we can see that this is resistance. I like the signal. We've got resistance, and we want to trade through this darker shaded. See how it's lighter colored down here? So we're running into support zone. This is a counter trend trade now. We could take that. In any case, let me just clear all of this. Hope it's all making sense, and we'll go back, and you know, I'm looking for an 80% win rate with this strategy. 80% win rate. I will have a look at them. I mean, that's quite a nice trade. This one here, and also look at these, okay, and this one as well. We can count however many you want to go back, and I can guarantee you it's going to be looking pretty good. Breakout, we're looking for the retest and fail. There's your trade. Okay, I'll go back a few of these. Now this one here, okay, so that might be the one out of 80% we're looking. Well, we go in on the pullback into the mean, and we're looking for 1 times the ATR. We're always going to take 80%. If you caught that, that's a profitable trade. That's a nice one. That was limited, but yeah, we go back here and okay, that one didn't work out. That one's a nice one. You know, the distance you travel with these winning trades. Okay, so there's one bad egg in here, so you're going to have that. Part of the cost of doing business, but we've already counted more than 10 trades here, so we're looking at a 90% win rate, pretty much. Breakout, we're looking for a short. There it is there. Most of these are going to be pretty good. I mean, I've spent years developing the strategy. We built the indicators based on 2 strategies. One is this counter trend trade, trading these dots that are giving us a well, the counter trend, and this is the breakout, generally giving us a trend continuation, generally. So the breakout, pullback, we short it. Okay, there's our short. We could go back 20, and I'm sure we're going to get most like, I mean, you can see all these are winning trades. Look at this one. Well, that one's extended. Yeah, I mean, I don't want to ramble on with this, but you can see how powerful this is. Look at this one here. Okay, so definitely a 90% win rate, without a doubt, so far from what we've seen. These are the alerts going off, by the way. If we go to, you know, your list, at the moment that's my crypto list, check out each one of these, go back in time and count how many of these were a winning trade. If you're getting a 90%, then, you know, you could, like I like this one, so let's just mark that green. And then, you know, ones that aren't so good, 80% you could go blue, and, you know, you could color code these accordingly and set your alerts to go off on the highest probability charts. So what we do now is we're waiting for these dots. Let me just clear all that. We're waiting for these dots. We've got two rows of dots. We've got the outer and we've got the inner. Now what you can do is you can trail the stop loss. Have a look here. There's the outer level of dots and there's the inner level of dots. You can trail this outer level if you want to, or trail this inner level. So you have the option to tighten up your stop loss if you want to. There's my inner level, and there's a loss of $4 if that gets hit. So you can see this inner level here has started forming through here. Right? So these, if this continues, this row of dots is gonna follow, and then we just simply pull our stop loss down behind it. And yeah, I mean, what else can I say, guys? Check out the link below the video in the description and have a look at my stuff. I've done a lot of videos on this strategy. It works. With that, take care, have a great day, and see you in the next video.